Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Yeah, AVAX not so interesting today. It was just sort of dancing around that support area there, dancing above the 100% extension level at $45.75. So we are dealing here with this ABC structure, and the C wave to the downside was, well, ideally was supposed to reach the 100% extension level minimally at 45.75. Why? Because this is just a very common Fibonacci relationship between waves A and C. The C wave usually reaches the same length as the A wave. And we had a wave 1 top, okay, and the wave 2 pullback right now. That's unfolding, and this is the white target area, and ideally we don't break below it. Okay, if we do, then technically we can give the price the entire orange support area to extend, because it is the standard support zone for a wave 2. But looking at the internals of this wave structure, it appears likely that this is a C wave of wave 2. And if it is, then yeah, it should ideally not really break below $41.44, at least not on a sustained basis. I mean, we'll see. At the moment, either way, there is no confirmation of a low in place. If we zoom in, you can see that. So we had this A wave down. B wave, corrective rally, got rejected at the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. That's a very common retracement and resistance level for a B wave. And then the price started the move down. I mean, the low could be in. Okay, the low could be in, but it is, you know, the microstructures, when we're dealing with microstructures and altcoins, it's not always so easy. They are not really very clear all the time. What I could say is possibly it needs another low. I mean, that's what price action suggests at the moment, because there hasn't been a break above the Wednesday high yet, which was here at around $48.20. And also the move to the upside that happened was corrective. So it's possible that one more low happens, because the structure that we can add here looks a bit like an unfinished 5-wave move to the downside in what I'm labeling here as the orange scenario. That last low in corrections sometimes doesn't happen. Yeah, we had a wave 1 to the downside of wave C, which bottomed here on the 27th of March. A wave 2 rally, not really a rally, but you know, a bit of a rally. And then this could be a third wave down, which again has possible 5 waves. You can label that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got this, and then probably an extended third, which is another 5-wave move. Then we had our wave 4 corrective rally here, which was the rally that happened today. Normally we say that a wave 4 ideally reaches the 38.2 Fib level. So here. And you can see not quite, but nearly. So the price rallied to $48.14. $48.55 is the ideal target for a fourth. So the entire box is relevant, so that's fine. And the 5th wave down could send us to the next, I don't need that resistance area anymore. The 5th wave to the downside could send us, if it happens, to $43. Okay, that would be the next level. And then I think we can be watching for a low. And from there, it could rally in a third wave. We'll see if that actually materializes. I'm not so confident about the micro patterns, but this is what we've got at the moment. And what we obviously need to see is if the wave 2 is really the low, or if it's only the A wave of a larger correction. Then the next rally will be a B wave, and then we come down in a C wave again, and the wave 2 actually finishes here. That's of course possible. There's always a risk, especially if the initial pullback is quite shallow. That's my update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.